everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to stick vinyl onto wine tumblers so the vinyl actually stays. For this project, you'll need a tumbler or cup, permanent vinyl, and some rubbing alcohol. Before I can start on this project, I need to prep the cup. The first thing I need to do is take some rubbing alcohol and clean the area where I will be applying the vinyl really well. If you want the vinyl to be able to handle soap and water, the oil from fingerprints needs to be removed first. I'll set that aside and let it dry while I cut out the vinyl. For any project that is going to get washed, definitely make sure you're using permanent vinyl. Next, I'll stick the vinyl down to a green mat. I'll use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my Maker 3. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. I'll use my weeder tool to pull off the background. And I'll just flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. I have a piece of transfer tape, a little bit larger than my design, and I'll stick it on. I'll use my scraper tool to stick the transfer tape to the vinyl. Then I can flip it over and pull off the backing paper. My tumbler is dry, so I'll stick on the design. For rounded objects like cups, start sticking the vinyl down in the middle first, then work your way out to the sides. I'll use my scraper tool to stick the vinyl down really well to the cup. Now I can pull off the transfer tape. When I use two colors of vinyl, I use a piece of parchment paper or butcher paper to help line up the second color. It's easy to do. Just stick the vinyl onto a piece of parchment paper with a little bit of the vinyl sticking out. And when you're happy with the placement, stick the little end of the vinyl on really well. This will hold everything in place. Now you can carefully pull out the parchment paper and stick the rest of the vinyl down as well. I'll use my scraper tool again to stick this on. Then remove the transfer tape. This tumbler is done, but the last step is important. Let this cure for 3 days before you use it so the vinyl completely adheres. Then after that, it is safe to wash. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.